Snow, ice. One tiny mistake, and a multi-ton truck becomes a runaway missile. Watch how split-second decisions on frozen roads explode into terrifying chaos, where winter shows zero mercy and danger hits hard, fast, and without warning. Heart-stopping. Seeing that 18-wheeler and tow truck plunge 200 feet is a reminder to count our blessings. Sending prayers for those brave drivers. Stay safe out there, folks. Stay safe out there. Even at 60 miles per hour, a split second matters. Let's drive with care and respect for every family on the road. God bless and stay alert. Watching these 20-ton rigs pushed past their limits is a real wake-up call. Safety first, folks. Proper hauling is a lost art. Stay safe out on the American roads. Reminds me of a snowy 1960s road trip. Seeing that heavy coach tackle miles of steep alpine turns is pure grit. Truly a masterclass in winter driving. Amazing skill. Towing an 80,000 pounds rig near high voltage lines takes real guts. God bless our brave truckers and operators for keeping the roads safe. True American grit. Watching these 80,000-pound rigs and heavy dozers lose control is a wild reminder to respect the road. Incredible footage. But stay safe out there, folks. God bless our drivers. Incredible. That little Subaru AWD just hauled a 2-ton truck out of 10 inches of snow. True grit and pure power. They just don't make them like this anymore. Impressive. Watching cars slide on Baku's icy roads is nerve-wracking. Even at 10 miles per hour, black ice is no joke. Please stay safe out there, folks. Family is waiting for you at home. Watching this steel beast plow through 3 feet of fresh powder is pure Americana. A powerful reminder of engineering meeting the wild winter. Truly breathtaking. Seeing 32 degrees Fahrenheit in Florida is truly historic. Please stay off those icy roads and keep safe, folks. Sending prayers to our Sunshine State neighbors. God bless. Watching these folks makes me miss the days when common sense was common. Stay safe out there. 100% safety first is no joke. Truly a wild ride. Watching this Ursus C 360 haul a 40-foot log is pure nostalgia. It's got that raw, old-school grit we love in America. A true workhorse proving that classic steel never quits. Nothing beats a Grand Cherokee in 10 inches of snow. Those skull tires look tough. Great to see you and Stefan out there. Stay safe on the trails, brother. Nothing beats the sight of a solid 29-inch plow cutting through the dirt. It reminds me of the good old days on the farm. Pure American grit and horsepower at its finest. Watching these folks work and drive makes me realize common sense isn't so common anymore. Just a few inches of mistake and they're miles away from safety. Stay safe out there, friends.
Hold on.
You get out. Oh my God, the tree's right there.
Stop!
Incredible footage. Seeing these massive 200-ton steel engines serves as a powerful reminder to always stay 50 feet back and respect the tracks. Safety first, folks. God bless. Witness the raw power of these Yekaterinburg trucks, moving tons of history across miles of rugged terrain, a true testament to old-school engineering and grit. Remarkable. Truly impressive recovery. Seeing these 40-foot buses being towed with such precision is a testament to great engineering. It's hard work keeping our roads safe. God bless our recovery teams.
Hallo. Oh, für dich, wie geht's? Ja, den Fahrschein, oder?
Unbelievable footage. It's a reminder that safety must come first on the road. Even a 50-ton excavator needs a steady hand. Stay alert and drive safe, folks.
Kurwa, to się koło mu będzie, kurwa.
Truly inspiring. Seeing that powerful SUV pull an 80,000-pound semi out of the snow is a testament to American grit. Real horsepower and a kind heart in action. God bless.
Спасибо.
Stay safe on Maple Lane. Even a few inches of snow can be tricky. Please check your tires and keep a safe distance. God bless and drive carefully, neighbors.
Hey dude, watch out. Hey dude, get out from the car.
Here we go.
Incredible! O'Hare's giant melter turns 600 tons of snow per hour into water. A true marvel of American engineering keeping us moving. Watching these 80,000-pound rigs mishandle is a real wake-up call. Safety and skill should always come first on our American highways. Stay alert and drive safe. Folks,
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no.
nothing beats American muscle. Watching this Grand Cherokee pull a heavy truck through inches of snow shows true grit. A reliable Jeep and a tow strap, that's how we help neighbors. Seeing these 80,000-pound rigs handled so poorly is a real wake-up call. Safety first, folks. Experience matters on the open road. Stay alert and drive home safe. Incredible recovery in Ivdel. Watching them haul those heavy tanks from a 10-foot ditch is a masterclass in grit. True professionalism in handling gas hazards. Stay safe, folks. Watching these 80,000-pound rigs lose control is a wake-up call. Stay safe out there on the interstate. No destination is worth more than your life. God bless. Absolutely timeless. Such talent reminds me of the good old days. Pure class and soul in every second. Truly a masterpiece that hits home. God bless. Watching these 50-ton rigs fail is a real wake-up call. Safety first, folks. It takes more than speed to handle a crane. It takes respect for the machine.
Hello everyone. You are watching Car Accidents.
A sobering reminder to stay alert. Those steel giants need over 5,000 feet to stop. Let's prioritize safety at every crossing. Better to lose a minute than a life. God bless. Heartbreaking scene on the N33. Driving just a few miles feels different now. Keeping those families in my prayers tonight. Please, stay safe and watch the road, folks. Watching these 10-foot ladder fails reminds me why safety first matters. A bit of common sense goes a long way at work. Stay safe out there, folks. Nothing beats a classic 3 liters diesel WK. This rig handles the 100% lockers test like a beast. Pure American grit and torque. A true legend for any trail lover. Absolutely incredible. Watching this Range Rover Sport tow a massive 40-ton semi-truck is a true testament to British engineering. It's got more grit than a Texas ranch, a real powerhouse. And that's the reality of winter roads. One careless move can change everything in a heartbeat. Slow down, stay alert, and respect the conditions, because safety is always the smartest choice. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and stay with us for more real moments that could save a life.